Enjoying studying can greatly enhance your learning experience and improve your academic success. Here are some tips to help you find enjoyment in your study sessions. Set clear goals. Know what you want to achieve from your study session. Setting specific, achievable goals can give you a sense of purpose and direction. Find your learning style. Discover your preferred learning style. Whether it's visual, auditory, kinesthetic, or a combination. Tailor your study methods to match your style for better retention and enjoyment. Create a comfortable environment. Design a study space that is comfortable, organized, and free from distractions. A clutter-free and well-lit area can make studying more enjoyable. Explore your interests. Whenever possible, connect your studies to subjects you're genuinely interested in. This can make the learning experience more enjoyable and rewarding. Use engaging resources. Seek out textbooks, online resources, videos, and other materials that are interesting and engaging. Learning from different sources can keep things fresh and exciting. Break it down. Divide your study material into manageable chunks. Smaller sections can feel less overwhelming and allow for a sense of accomplishment as you complete them. Use interactive techniques. Employ active learning techniques like summarizing, teaching someone else, creating flashcards, or using mnemonic devices. These techniques keep you engaged and help with understanding and retention. Mix up subjects. If you have multiple subjects to study, alternate between them. Switching subjects can prevent boredom and keep your brain engaged. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Regular, shorter study sessions are often more effective and enjoyable than cramming all at once. Take breaks. Incorporate short breaks into your study routine. Use this time to stretch, relax, or do something you enjoy, which can rejuvenate your mind. Stay positive. Maintain a positive mindset. Focus on the progress you're making rather than fixating on what you haven't accomplished yet. Reward yourself. Set up a reward system for yourself. After achieving a certain study goal, treat yourself to something enjoyable, like a snack or a short break. Connect to real life. Relate what you're studying to real-life applications and examples. Understanding how the knowledge can be used in practical situations can make it more engaging. Join study groups. Studying with peers can make learning more interactive and enjoyable. Discussing concepts and teaching each other can deepen your understanding. Variety in study techniques. Rotate through different study techniques to keep things interesting. Mix up reading, writing, drawing diagrams, watching videos, and more. Set a time limit. Determine a specific time frame for your study session. Knowing that there's an endpoint can help you stay focused and engaged. Remember that not every study session will be a source of boundless joy, but by implementing these strategies and finding what works best for you, you can make studying a more enjoyable and productive endeavor. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.